Everyone, this is Bill from BillTech, and today I'm going to teach you how to install your hard drive and your own RAM. So let's get started. Is you have the hard drive. This is the hard drive. So the first thing is that you want to connect your hard drive to the SATA cable. It's right over here. So what you want to do is you plug the SATA cable in first, and then after that you want to get your SATA power cable right over here from the power supply. It looks like this. It's flat. Both of the SATA cables are flat. Then after that, you want to just plug that in right there. Then after that, you're gonna place it in the computer, and then voila, it's done. Now it's the RAM. Now you guys can't see very well, but I'll show you. Okay, so you see here the RAM. So you're gonna place it on the notch. So you're gonna line this notch right over here to the one right over here. Okay, so now I'm gonna place it. Okay. And now it will slip right in. You just gotta nudge it. Just gotta nudge it a bit. There we go. That's how you install a hard drive and a RAM. Thank you for watching. It's just the two. Alright.